Yeah. Holy moly! Albert to Graham or Theo.
Yeah.
Yo, Theo, you want to let Graham know that the offload's going to take a little bit. There's just congestion because they're doing repairs on the tunnel.
Will do. Albert, I'll talk to you on too. Thanks.
Okay, copy. Thanks, Jason. Alright, guys. Cargo time, baby. Zimmerman, you want to bring this chain back around? We'll put it on that dolly over there?
Yeah, Jason, Albert or Graham?
Yeah, go for Albert.
Yeah, Albert, KLM's wondering who's in customs today, do you know?
Stand by. Do you have anybody there?
I didn't think to put a customs person.
Currently, there is no agent in customs, Jason.
Second one, right?
Second one, yeah.
Okay, I'll let them know. I'm going to see if we need one or not. Probably not because of the congestion already, but
Yeah,
I'll let them know if we do.
Okay, copy. Yeah, that's what my thoughts were too. The offload's pretty slow, so yeah, I don't think we do need a customs agent. How heavy is it?
Maybe a little heavy.
Little. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. 3, 2, 1. Oh. Perfecto. Hold up. Did we double check all those cans or some of those cargo cans too? Those are all bag cans.
They shouldn't be, but I don't know how they're pulling out bag cans right now.
Well, that's why. Yeah, they're all bags. Oh, it's because
The yellow tag.
there should be that one bag can.
If we could just send somebody inside customs just to see how it's going, and if they're not needed, then they can just come back outside. So after cargo's unloaded, then we gotta send somebody in there for a little bit.
Okay, copy. No, so these should be the last 2 cargo cans, and then everything's off in the front. And then that's a bag can in the front over there. You're gonna take this and go to the front. Graham, drop that lock. This one? Yeah, the second one. Now push it all the way back. There. Alright guys, so this is what we call an offload tunnel. What people don't like to do. I don't mind it. So, I'm trying to be as gentle with them as possible. See? 2 cans down. Albert.
Albert, go ahead.
Hey Jason, can you just let KLM know I'm just working on the last 4 cans here?
I copy that. I'll let him know right now, thanks.
Copy, thank you.
Spot because there's a light in there that tells us when the door guard's off. So let's clear out.
Fuck, bro, I'm sweating.
Oh, they got their money's worth out of you today.
Bro, yeah. I thought it was gonna be a nice day to fucking just POV
Holy
this shit. You got anybody up doing gate checks right now or no?
I was just about to ask you, could you check that gate check?
Sure.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah. 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 Oh. Yeah, oh, there it is. It's funny. Hockey game, fuck yeah.
Hey, how's the weather out there?
It was raining quite hard, but now I think it's bad now.